So I have one question. I mean, we talk about dissemination, we talk about push information, we talk about struggling with lots of things. One thing that I have been all the time thinking and talking is we have a health system is already in place, not that it is not in place. The question is that whether they're working or not working. So we have health center, we have sub-health center, we have community health center, we have primary health centers, and so on and so forth. We have Anganwadis, but we know that they are not functional as much as they should have been in terms of infrastructure, in terms of availability of doctors or the paramedicos or whatever in the place. Now, nobody wants to go to the remote areas. That is also understandable, from various perspectives. But now communication tool is available to make video conferencing, all those things available. Why these simple things are not being adopted in any of the places where even making, okay, doctor is not going. He can always be available where he has district headquarter hospitals and all that, and then all the sub-health center and, primary health centers can be connected, which is not big task because connectivity is available. Why something like this is not taking place, or why are we always, something like in a school system also, we are not monitoring whether teacher is present in the classroom or not, but we are struggling with content. If the teacher itself is present in the class will happen. We will not have 90% dropout by the end of the 10th class. So can you just say, see that, these are not working model, or this is not inspiring enough? What is the issue?
See, my objection on that with this is there is a time for any society to absorb technology. That technology may be perhaps from rural area to urban area through the teleconferencing or through the telemedicines. It requires a good quality infrastructure. Number two, availability of the person on this side. And there is a limitation. How many you can do it? Say you have a link from a village to place, you can 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%. So there's a limitation. Cost is one part also on that. So perhaps I think states have tried it, but it has not been scaled up to next stage. I have a different idea. Will be totally different. Maybe I think all of you will not agree with me. And that gives me thinking out of box. I have an education department earlier, now in health department. I see that there is in health time to service. Sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes 60 minutes, sometimes 1 hour, sometimes 2 hours, maybe there. Like serious case, like there's a golden hour, 60 minutes, you should get a service. My proposition is that why hospital should move to patient? Why can't patient move to hospital? Moving a hospital is very difficult, it's a movable property, it's a movable thing attached to earth. A person is movable. It's very easy to move a person to hospital rather than hospital is moved to the village. But we have in government a system. Every village should have PSC, rather every village should have a super specialty hospital, although it may not be viable there. If I can take any person from a village in 30 minutes or 45 minutes or 60 minutes to nearest district or sub-hospital, the services are available, what's wrong in that? That makes you much more viable, power supply, person is there, doctor is there, services are there, they can handle emergencies. Even the city of Hyderabad, sometimes you take 1 hour to reach hospital. Same thing from a village, if I can ensure there is ambulance service available, there is a vehicle available, there is some service available which you take at 1 o'clock in the morning to a district headquarters which you can reach in half an hour, 1 hour. What's wrong in that? And that will be much, much cheaper for you to provide a service rather than creating a super specialty hospital in the village for that single patient. I don't know. One has to think like that in those cases. It's a time to service. As long I can provide, take a person, service is available in a certain time period, which requires depending on seriousness. Okay. Rather than taking hospital there or this your telemedicine. Telemedicine, I think that still people are not ready to absorb the technology. In terms of quality of connectivity requires 2 Mbps is not enough for that. If you have a CT scan or if you have some ultrasound images, you can't put on Skype. You can't put on a normal telephone line. No, it won't come. Very difficult. It should be really high class. And can we create in every village? No, impossible. Then again, same problem comes. He has to go to some nearest place to use the telemedicine. If he's going there, why not go to hospital there itself? Create a hospital there. Provide a good quality transport services to them. That's my thing, out of box thinking. I'm saying all of you will not agree. I respect your thing. Thank you. I think one thing, Saurabh, you can continue. I have a CS meeting at 11 o'clock. So I think I'll leave all of you because I have meetings there on Godavari, Pushkar. Let's go for that. I think some time permits, I'll come back and we can continue our dialogues on this thing. If you have a thinking, why hospital should move patient, why can't patient move to hospital?
No, that's a very good thought. Thank you very much for your time.
I'd say out of box thinking, and sometimes these things really work. It doesn't work, okay.
No. Efficiency, if there is efficiency, like you said, in time, it will work. Absolutely. Okay, thank you. Yes, Saurabh, you will say. Yeah, so, if you wanted to respond, that will be great. Quick.
Now, I think the question you raised was, the point you raised was related to, with so much proliferation of technology, why is it that we are not able to monitor our programs better, and why is it we are not able to ensure that our PSCs run the way they are expected to in sub-centers of the facilities. So, okay, on purely technology front, for example, we in Andhra Pradesh, with these 13 districts of the leftover state of Andhra Pradesh, we have around 670 mandals we have broadband connectivity available in this 670 mandals. Mandals is a unit of administration. Andhra Pradesh, we have 1075 PSCs. So in 1075 PSCs, we had actually done a survey on what is the decibel strength available of different communication providers in these 1075 places. If we were to run a voice cum data communication services, a pack of services. And we realized that still in tribal areas and in some other remote areas in districts like Anantapur, Kurnool, apart from the tribal areas of Visakhapatnam, Srikakulam, East and West Godavari, there are around 70% places are well connected, but 30% places are still not, they are not yet, the readiness is not there to be able to onload services through technology there. So that is a constraint by itself. And we are just talking about primary health centers as of now. I'm not talking about 7,600 sub-centers. There again, I believe the situation will be similar. So 30%, the situation is not there. But wherever it is there, it is not that technology is not being used. It is being used for monitoring. It is being used for example, for plain attendance part also, in the sense that whether doctors are attending there, you have biometric attendance systems, which is a web-based monitoring tool, so that you know that they have come. Whether they have come and left again, and whether they just came for the sake of giving attendance, are the other issues which we, in a governmental setup, we need to address. There are other things which are attached to that. There might be sheer, for example, the budgetary spending still may not be adequate. It's not ideal in any case. We are still struggling with number of vacancies. We are much better off probably than the rest of India, but still specialist vacancies. Other vacancies also tend to be an issue. So there are those real typical governance issues which we still struggle with. But that does not for any moment partake the fact that technology has to be used, and it is being used also, be it e-governance, mobile governance, or whatever it is. Thank you.